Today's Winnie is going to Jakarta, so I will be alone on the videos for a few days. Today's video gonna have 3 different parts. Part number 1, Winnie is leaving, going to Jakarta, but only for 3 days, right, honey?
1 week saya.
1 week, actually, I don't know. That's make me sad, actually.
Yeah, so I will be in Jakarta for 1 week because I need to have a meeting and training with the staff ministers in Jakarta.
Serious stuff, guys. So I escort Winnie to the airport because also she have to use the taxi and stuff like this, so why not? Sayang, just be careful in Jakarta, okay? Meanwhile, this is the airport situation for everyone who are thinking to travel domestically somewhere. Winnie is always so stressed when she's traveling to Jakarta. However, in next 2 weeks she will go to Jakarta again, and I promise I will go with her to Jakarta as well. In this occasion I couldn't make it due to her very busy schedule, but next 2 weeks I will go with her again, so you can expect I'm gonna go to Jakarta at the end of the month with Winnie. And anyway, this is the arrival zone with the huge Bali sign, so that's what first thing what you see when you arrive to Bali, but on domestic terminal, guys. Domestic and the international, they are same airport but totally different entrances and exits. By the way, this is the refurbished domestic terminal in Bali. Looks definitely much better than when I used to flying over the pandemic, and it was like a huge construction site and everything was closed. Now you can have some shops and cafes around. Looks pretty nice, like for domestic terminal, guys. Anyways, after I come back from Jakarta, that will be 27th or something like that, I will be few days in Bali, and then I'm flying to Bangkok in Thailand in 1st of September actually. So you can expect that I will be in Thailand at the beginning of September for approximately 2 weeks. I have only one-way ticket anyway, so everything is subject to change. I want to do the research, never been in Thailand to be honest, and I also very curious how you guys gonna be interested to watching. Thank you so much, having a juice. How you guys gonna be interested about watching my videos from Thailand? So I'm gonna visit Bangkok, Phuket and Krabi. If the video is gonna get a lot of views and you guys gonna be genuinely interested, I will come back again for maybe a month or maybe even longer and make as many videos and explore as much as possible from Thailand, guys. So keep it in mind, and I hope so you guys will enjoy. Later I come back on the middle of September to Bali. I'm gonna stay 1 week in Bali, then I'm gonna go to Singapore for a week, and then I will plan my further travels. Probably I'm thinking to go in October to Vietnam. Also possibly I will go to Manila to Philippines. So let's see. And then after that, let's see what next. If I'm gonna repeat the Thailand for a month, probably that's gonna be in November when the dry season already begin, because now I'm going in the middle of monsoon, so it's gonna be probably very, very rainy in Thailand. But you know me, guys, rain, sun, snow, whatever, I don't mind. I always gonna make a videos for you. Winnie is going to Jakarta. I'm still in the airport, so I'm gonna use the opportunity to show you how to choose the taxi or Grab or local driver or whatever option of transportation. Go to your favorite destination. In my situation right now, I'm gonna go to Renon, which is very close to the sun. I'm gonna tell you what's the best option for that. There are actually few of them. So option number 1, what I'm always doing is going by Grab, and from the airport the prices are usually double than normal prices. So right now, with including the some promotion, it's cost you 166k going from domestic terminal by Grab to Renon. Sanur. If you take an airport taxi, it's gonna be approximately 200k, which is not a really big deal actually right now. In domestic terminal, you order and waiting for the Grab next to Solaria. This is the people waiting everywhere. There are counters for the taxi, so approximately 40k more for the Bali taxi. 200k to Sanur Renon, supposed to be another taxi, and there is the Grab station over here. Generally from this area you're taking any kind of transportation. Also you can try to deal with the local drivers who are waiting for you over here. So if you're gonna start dealing with the local driver like this guy, for example, which is also kinda maybe it's not the worst idea, but it's the most tricky idea in general. I'm gonna tell you, you can get a ride for Sanur for 500k or for 150k, so you can make it cheap one if you know how to negotiate, or if you don't know and you are newbie first time in Bali, they can ask you for 500k and you may think it's good price and you wanna pay triple than that. I know people personally who go to Kuta, which is like very close by, and they pay like literally 500k, so keep it in mind. So all of the people who are waiting outside the counter, they are local drivers waiting for you, so with them you have to deal with the price. There is the Grab, and over there they are taxi service with the blue t-shirt. So these prices with the blue t-shirt, they are fixed. Supposed to be a 200k to going to Sanur, and similar price tag to going to Kuta, I think so. Also over there is the domestic terminal, and there is like a zebra. You can walk over here, and this is the entrance to the international terminal, in case if you are like having connecting flight or just wanna, I don't know, having a look. Now the option number 3, this is the most hardcore option. I never ever did this, to be honest. I'm gonna do it today first time for the video purposes, but some of you may save few dollars. So you are here. There is the parking for the motorbike, so you have to leave it. I know how to leave it because I used to park motorbikes some time ago, long time ago. And you go to the Harris Hotel Kuta Tuban, which is walking distance, and you're gonna try to take a Grab from this one because it's outside the airport, and the first should be at least half cheaper than in the airport. However, definitely this is not recommended option, especially if you have a lot of luggage. Overall, it's not recommended option. But one thing, if you're gonna walk and explore the airport, you can find a beautiful gate like this one, which is actually most of people didn't know, as you can have a picture with the gate like this one. It's pretty cool actually, right? Basically you walk from there, where is the terminal for the taxis and the domestic. This is the gate, and then there you have another one decoration, and then you have a road with the gate, and this is like a path. So there is the motorbike parking, and this is how you walk, and you basically have to cross the street. So, and then officially you are outside of the airport. This is already public road, not belongs to the airport property. Airport property is behind the wall, and I'm walking now to the Harris Hotel. So it's pretty easy if you know how to do it, and if you don't have a luggage and you are brave enough, you can do it. I did exactly the similar thing in Nice, in south of France, when I was very young. Actually, I actually walked to the hotel like 10 kilometers. Long stories, but well, that's build your character, I could say, right? To travel and being independent. Anyways, outside the airport, if you're gonna walk already over here, there will be so many Grab drivers and everything waiting for you, happy to help you to get wherever you want. And I think this car is Grab car also. However, I don't know, I wanna go to the hotel to make it looks good. Meanwhile, this is the airport outside, and the helping everywhere. Yo, oh good, thank you. I'm just going to the hotel there. And then you have a sign. Actually, the entrance to the road is next to the main entrance to the airport. There is like a road going to Tuban, and there is already part of the Tuban where local warungs, and the hotel is actually just literally over here, just next to the corner. So basically, it's extremely easy to do it if you're a little bit, thinking outside the box, I could say. And this is the hotel, and from this place I'm gonna take a Grab home. Do you remember? That was 166k. Now Harris Hotel Tuban Bali lobby confirm pickup, and the price is only 66,000 by car. Is 100k cheaper. Unbelievable. So let's go, let's book it. Then I arrived home. I think also I got a little bit of the sunburn. It's very hot, so keep it in mind if you're gonna walk. I think having a 100k difference of the price is, I'm not sure if it's worth it or not. It depends of your situation, and maybe if you are traveling domestically only with backpack for one-day trip somewhere, it's worth the hassle. However, if you're coming to Bali from overseas and you just want to save 100k, it's your personal thing. I showed you how to do it if you want to. I'm not recommending this, but it's possible. So yeah, Winnie's went to Jakarta, so I will vlogging by myself for this week. I hope so you're still gonna watch it anyways. Tomorrow maybe I'm gonna go somewhere. Why not? Let's see. The plan for the future travels in Southeast Asia, so I hope so you're gonna bear with me in Thailand. And now, well, I have to edit video. It's 11:15 at morning. Gonna have some coffee, and I will see you as always tomorrow on next one. See ya. Take care. Thank you so much.